Here we are. This is my 2013 Veloster Turbo. As you can see right here, it's gray, and we're going to make it black. And we're also going to do that to the front lip and the one on this side as well. So right here is some of the materials we're going to use, and we'll show you how we do this. We're going to start by sanding it a little bit and cleaning it up before we mask it. Once we sand it a little bit, we're going to go ahead and use a cleaner. Next, we're gonna prep the masking paper. So we got all the masking done, and we're getting ready to put down the Plasti Dip. This is the first coat, very light. I'm going to let it dry and then go for a second coat, probably in about 10-15 minutes. We are now ready to apply the second coat. last coat. The job is complete. We're gonna call it quits for today. You can see the front lip, different color than the side. And this was the rim we repaired. We're gonna need to take care of that. I think it looks much better, black. And that light gray. We'll continue.